Hey guys, good morning. Today we're going to present about how photosynthesis works. My name is Cam.
My name is Nee.
My name is Sai.
My name is Pao.
And my name is Me.
So Ne is going to be the first one who will be talking about this topic.
Photosynthesis occurs in two states. Their states are called the light reaction and the dark reaction. The light reaction takes place in the presence of light. The dark reaction do not require direct light. However, dark reaction in most plants occur during the day. Photosynthesis takes place in chloroplasts. In chloroplasts, there are thyroid, the state of thyroid called granule, and stoma, the fluid.
On each thylakoid membrane has a correction of 400 to 600 molecules of the pigment. Light harvesting complex absorb the light energy and send it to the reaction center. The reaction center or chlorophyll A is a special molecule that acts as an electron giver. It is where photooxidation occurs. There are two types of photosystem. The first one is photosystem 1. Photosystem 1 has a chlorophyll A P700 as a reaction center, and the second one is the photosystem 2. Photosystem 2 has a chlorophyll A P640 as a reaction center. Right reaction. Right reaction is a reaction that makes ATP and NADPH, which will use in process of the Kelvin cycle and the dark reactions. And there are two types of light reactions. The first one is cyclic electron flow, and the second one is non-cyclic electron flow.
In the cyclic electron flow, two photons of light strike on P700, causing the electrons to be excited from its ground state. Two excited electrons are then transported to the next protein called plastocyanine. And another one is cytochrome B6 complex. Cytochrome B6 complex pumps proton from stroma into a space in thylakoid called lumen to pump the excited electrons. Once the electrons are hit by protons, they lose energy and give their energy to the proton instead. The ground state electrons are then transported to the protein called PQ or plastoquinone, and then back to P700. The energy containing protons move from lumen to ATP synthase, which helps to form ATP by bumping the energy containing protons with ADP and phosphate group. Another one is non-cyclic electron flow. In this kind of electron flow, the process needs photosystem 680. Two photons of light strike on the photosystem, causing the electron to be excited. During this process of the photooxidation, water in lumens undergoes photolysis, producing oxygen. The excited electrons are moved to cytochrome B6 complex, where they get hit by photons, and boom, it caused the ATP to form. The losing energy electrons are then transported to photosystem 1, which gets stroked by light, causing its electrons to be transported to NADP reductase, reproducing NADPH.
So the next step is Kelvin cycle or dark reaction. In this reaction, ribulose combines with carbon dioxide to form 6 molecules of PGA with the help from the Rubisco enzyme. Then 6 molecules of ATP and NADPH are used to reduce 6 molecules of PGA to form 6 molecules of G3P or PGAL. Then 1 molecule of G3P will go out of the cycle to form glucose. Then the remaining 5 molecules of G3P will then be reduced by 6 molecules of ATP to be regenerated back to ribulose. The Calvin cycle that we just talked about normally occurs in C3 plants, but in C4 plants it's different.
So I will talk about the C4 plant's photosynthesis. It is divided into parts, the mesophyll and the bundle sheath cells. 2 steps of C4 photosynthesis that occur in the mesophyll cells are the light-dependent reactions and a preliminary fixation of carbon dioxide into a molecule called malate. Carbon dioxide is released from malate in the bundle sheath cells where it is fixed again by the Rubisco and the Calvin-Benson cycle. The PEP is then recycled back to the mesophyll cells and the carbohydrate products of photosynthesis are distributed through the plant. Decarboxylation of malate, release of the carbon dioxide, creates a higher concentration of carbon dioxide in the bundle sheath cells than that found in photosynthetic cells of C3 plants. Carbon dioxide enrichment allows C4 plants to sustain higher rates of photosynthesis. Furthermore, because the concentration of carbon dioxide relative to oxygen in bundle sheath cells is higher, rates of photorespiration in C4 plants is lower than in C3 plants. In other words, the rate of light respiration is lower and the C3 plant has a lower light compensation point than the C4 plant.
So from our presentation, you can see that photosynthesis is very important for plants to make food in the form of sugar in order to survive. There are many kinds of plants such as C3, C4, and CAM plants. Each type is slightly different in generating sugar, just like having different way of living. Thank you. If you want to watch more video, please subscribe. Thank you for supporting and thank you for your attention.
เอาทำตามด้วยทำตามอยู่